Cassper on homophobic claims, I have no problem with gay or bisexual people. Rapper Cassper Nyovest has responded to claims that he is homophobic and made a derogatory comment to a member of the LGBTIQ community, who asked to take a picture with him. The Titombaani hitmaker was caught in a massive Twitter storm on Thursday when a user Matthew Whitehead tweeted that Cassper had allegedly hurled a homophobic comment at him when he approached Ka for a pic. Speaking to SUBCRIBE, Matthew said he had been out with friends when he bumped into Cassper and the incident happened. Matthew's friend also dug up an old tweet of Cassper's from 2012 he claimed showed that the star had always been homophobic. As the claims gained traction, Cassper took to Twitter to address his fans and clear the air. The rapper quickly shut down any suggestions that he was homophobic and said he supported the LGBTIQ community and even performed at the Gay Pride Festival. First of all, I want to make it clear, I am not homophobic. I have no problems with gay, bisexual people, white, black, I don't have a problem with anybody. I love everyone. He addressed the 2012 tweet saying it was a joke and apologized to anyone who was offended by it. I guess it was distasteful and I would like to apologize if that offends anybody. Cassper then turned his attention to the tweet that started the storm. He claimed that Matthew approached him very drunk and the pair had simply joked over a photo. He apologized to Matthew for any offense that was taken. There was something in the picture, when we took the picture and he said he wanted in there. I was joking when I said, hey, no homo, though. I think he took offense. But Matthew shot down Cassper's explanation, claiming that the misunderstanding came from Cassper plugging Ciroc. In a video seen by SUBCRIBE, Cassper asked Matthew if he had been drinking and was told he had only been drinking wine. Cassper then plugged Ciroc and Matthew asked Cassper to give him some. Matthew said he accepted Cassper's apology and hoped the incident would bring awareness of the battles people in the LGBTIQ community faced in being accepted. I hope this is a learning curve for Cassper and other people to realize that you can't just say things. They have meaning.